a very important announcement for those who are part of Brahmastra 2027 batch. So here I am announcing now the milestone 1, that is the targets which you have to cover in next 3 months of June, July and August. So this video is for those students who belong to the batches of April, May and June. That is, you have joined the Brahmas in these 3 months or in any of the batches of these 3 months. These targets are for you, and these targets you have to cover in these 3 months. If you are from these batch, you have to cover the targets in June, July and August. And combinedly, I am saying these all targets as a milestone 1. Now, first of all, before jumping to these targets, I request all of you to skim through the video attached in the description of the orientation. In this video, I have talked about the 5 levels of UPSC CSE preparation, how we will be achieving those levels through Brahmastra and the other important aspects. So it is very important on your part to follow this video and then you watch again milestone 1, and please write it on some small sheet of paper and stick to your study desk. Write milestone 1. Again I am iterating, milestone 1 is something which we have to achieve in the month of June, July and August. So first of all, what is milestone 1? Under milestone 1, for GS and for optional, we have certain milestones. In GS, the first milestone is regarding prelims, where you have to ensure that you are ready with your prelims summaries. The importance, how you have to make the series of lectures, everything I have guided in my orientation lecture. But this is one of the milestone that what you have to do, you have to go through the prelims bootcamp classes and you have to make the summaries of the prelims for all the subjects. Second most important, I mean out of all these milestones, the most important milestone is this regarding mains. So this is the time which shall be sufficiently devoted to the mains preparation. Now in mains, I expect you to make the mains summaries also. And for this, we will be having your Vajra classes regarding mains. So first thing, this you have to achieve. Second thing, you have to ensure that in any of the Marg sessions, Marg will be repeated every month. These are answer writing sessions I have guided in my orientation session. You have to watch it. Marg basic you are completing and Marg advanced you are completing. The dates will be announced in your Telegram channel respectively. I mean, whenever it is going to be scheduled. We have already concluded the Marg advance of May month. June ka dates will be announced. So first thing is, with respect to mains, you have to ensure that you are covering the Vajra, that is the main summaries for all the subjects. And when I say all the subjects, 1, 2, 3, 4 and even essay whenever we will have the classes, right? For all 5 of them, we have to ensure we are ready with the main summaries. That is, you have to go through the Vajra classes. Ab we are starting with the Vajra classes from 2nd of June, and then frequently we will be having classes from 11th of June. I will show you the schedule as of now. I will show you the schedule. Just hold on. So the first thing is Vajra, and the second thing is Marg, which you have to achieve during milestone 1, where the timeline is of June, July and August. Okay. Prelims mein you have to make the prelim summaries. How now? Again, you have to do it from the bootcamp classes of prelims, and this your mentor in the respective groups will allot you time to time. So what you have to do is, for example, you have the schedule of Vajra. Let me show you the schedule now. This is the schedule of the Vajra. That is, on 2nd of June you have the data and facts class. On 11th of June then you have social justice. Then on 15th of June you have governance. Then 18th of June you have this what I can say, polity class 1, then polity class 2, IR, and so on. So this is the schedule of Vajj which you have to follow. Now in this, certain subjects like history, science and tech, ethics, we will announce the schedule later. But as of now, you certainly have the schedule until 26th of July. And if you have followed me so far, we have the targets until August. So there will be the classes of science and tech, history, ethics as well. But until 26th July now, you have the schedule. Let me tell you, this is the schedule for 2027, not 2026. 2026 का schedule is slightly different. ठीक है? So you have to follow this schedule, this download, put it on a study desk and follow the schedule. The classes will be live. The whosoever is working will get the recordings as well. I mean, if you are working, you have to divide your class within 2 days. In 2 days, you have to complete one class. If you are what I can say, full-time aspirant, please, I request, I insist, watch these classes either in live mode online or else offline Delhi center. Please do not create the backlog. It is not something कि यार बाद में रखेंगे और कर लेंगे. Please follow Brahmastra in the way in which we are conducting it. You will enjoy the process. You will start loving, UPSC preparation. You will start having confidence in the UPSC preparation. So this is first thing. So this schedule we will drop in your Telegram channels. Please have a look to this schedule. Then again I am coming to this. Now, for example, let's say, this is the day long class on 11th. You have 12th, 13th and 14th available with you. So if you have followed my current affairs strategy, 14th ka half is booked for the monthly magazine. If you feel you have time here 3 to 4 hours, please give that time to making the prelims summaries of bootcamp. Your mentor will give you the lectures. From that lectures and skeleton, you have to ensure that whatever time you're getting in between here, you have to complete the subject by subject summaries. I hope I am making myself clear. So let me tell you once again in Hindi, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि आपको मेंस की क्लासेस तो शेड्यूल पे देखनी है, बट अगर आपको बीच में भी टाइम मिलता है तो आप रिकॉर्डिंग्स ले लीजिए प्रीलिम्स बूट कैंप की समरीज की मेंटर से और अपनी समरीज बना के रखिए. मैंने सुबह भी ओरिएंटेशन सेशन में यही चीज बोली है कि क्यों जरूरी है प्रीलिम्स की समरीज अभी और हाउ इट विल हेल्प यू लेटर. प्लीज वॉच द ओरिएंटेशन सेशन, देन अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी हैव 2 targets. First is prelim summaries, main summaries, and along with main summaries we have to do the marg sessions also. Now this is about prelims and mains. Third thing is optional. In optional beta, again the target almost looks similar. What I want you to do, if you're not done with the syllabus, your mentor will guide you personally. It will be customized. But let's say if you have at least completed the syllabus once, if you're done with the syllabus once, I request you to make the summaries of the optional. Now, how you have to make the summaries on the optional is something which I will be dealing in a separate lecture or the session. But my target is very clear that optional also I have to precise, concise and summarize in summaries. Okay. So these 3 milestones or these 3 what is the targets you have to achieve in the milestone 1. If you can sense, means mein this is separate and this is separate. I have guided in the orientation session what is the utility of both of them, right? So this is it from my side. Other than this, please understand, in these 3 months, your tests will be regular. Your mentor will guide you that when you have to start the test. When you have to start the test in May batch, in June batch, July batch, that is something your mentor will guide you. But once you have followed a batch for the test series, please follow the entire schedule then. Okay? Do not leave it in between. Do not create the backlog. Start of the test series, you will be guided by the mentor. They may ask you to start in May, they may start class in June, they may start class in July. It totally depends what is the preparation level, how much we have to work with you, right? We cannot ask you to sit for the test just from the day 1. That will not be justified with you. Make sense? So please listen to your mentor for the test. the 80 tests which are parallelly running in the Brahmas, and don't keep ki I will cover the syllabus then I will attempt the test. We want to see your regular progress. Make sense? So please ensure that whatsoever marks are coming in the exams, please give your tests on time. Your mentor has asked you to start your test series. Make sense? Okay. So that is it from my side. Please write it somewhere and let me brief you again. Right? If I talk about milestone 1, timeline is June, July and August. First is mains mein you have to make the Vajr, you have to complete the Vajr, and then you have to complete your main summaries. In Vajr we will help you in the classes itself, right? Don't worry. In the classes itself we will help you to make the main summary. Second, in mains only you have to ensure you are completing the mark, both basic and advanced level. Then in prelims you have to ensure you are making the prelim summaries, that is through boot camp. Who will give you the lectures? Your mentor will give you the lectures. How? In the WhatsApp group they will drop the access. Fourth is in optional, you have to make the summaries. If you have the fair idea how to make the summaries, please start. Otherwise very soon in next week I will be taking a session on how to make the optional summaries. Right? That is it from my side. Thank you. See you in the class.